Hey, this is Ronald Carroll from Mad Skills University, and I received quite a few requests on how to do some kind of alien sci-fi trailer. And I've done quite a few of these trailers for like Walking Dead and horror trailers, but today I'm going to do this in Filmora. And if you're using CapCut, since they're so similar, you can use this exact same pro tip. But I do have how-to videos in CapCut, and this is pretty simple to do. So in terms of sound effects, I use Epidemic Sounds, but you can use anything that has space warp or space sounds or spaceship sounds, alien horror sound effects, alien voices, alien bangs, doors closing, horror sci-fi sound. I'm sure you'll find that on YouTube, so that should be no problem. Now, in terms of how I laid the storyboard out, I have outside and I have inside. I linked all the videos below from pixabay.com on the outside of the spaceship and also the inside. And I actually linked them in order as they come in. And there are 5 tracks. So track 1, the first ship going by, the sky here, the galaxy, and it goes down to the outside. These are the outside clips, and these would be your inside clips. All of these are on track 3, except this one's on track 4, and that's your ending clip right there. So here's what we have. First, we have the sky here, and that's going to be pretty quick. Then we have the spaceship going by. I did a crop and zoom into the spaceship here. As far as the sound effect at the bottom, we have something like a spaceship passing by. Right here I go with the basic flash transition. The one looks like that, and the other one looks like... This is a pro tip to give you the basics. This is my warp sound effect right there. Here's how I stacked up these videos. Then right here we have dissolve. That's the basic dissolve transition right there. And now we're warping. And here's another basic dissolve transition right there. Bring this back a little bit. And right here I did a crop and zoom going into the spaceship. And here's a blur dissolve going out. If you want a smooth transition between 2 clips, what you want to do is, instead of going just butting them together, on the second clip just move down 1, 2, and then make your cut and then bring them together. You'll get a smoother transition. So here, my blur transition right there as I go into the ship. And here I'm using something called Space Solar Wind for sound effects. This clip started out with them inside the ship, then it bounced outside the ship, then went back inside the ship. So I started this clip where it goes back inside the ship, if that makes sense. So let's move down. And here's where I had to do a cut because I wanted to zoom into the planet there. I inserted a noise here. It's called a gear movement alien 1. But again, any kind of screeching noise. And this was in my storyboard saying, hey, they know we're coming type of thing. Transition used here is going to be a basic dissolve. This clip was really long, so I 2 times the speed. And this is called UFO Sci-fi, the sound effect right here. Now here's where we stack clips up together. So that's just a space blast sound. Right here we're going to use a traditional flash right there. A dissolve right there. Dissolve right there. And a glitch block right there. Dissolve right there. Now in this clip right here, on compositing, I move that to multiply. This opacity in the top clip has been brought down to 20%. This is multiply. And this is overlay, 100%. Multiply 100%. That's normal. So it looks like this. There's your blast. And this is called Drone Alien Power. And it's about that ball being powered, powering the planet or whatever it is. So that was my storyboard concept. bizarre. And now we have the glitch block there. Then we go into alien cave sound effect right there. Here, we went into a weak signal effect right here. And this is a light leak transition. And we have a blast. Then we did a camera shake on him. And this right here, we sped this clip up. A speed ramp on him. He can't run, but we had him walk a lot faster. Here we have a lens zoom. Zoom in. And the sound you heard there was just the door closing down here. Flash. And this effect right here over him. Light effect 24. Light effect 12. Down here you're going to have an alien sound, alien 6, and again, just different sound effects. That's a hiss. The video clip here, the alien went this way and that way. I just had him go this way and then come at you and hiss. So that's what I did there. Okay. Here, of course, we did a camera shake with the contact right there. And then we have a light leak. Again, light leak 12. It's a light leak 1. And a camera shake. Here we had another camera shake, but we had the camera shake go left to right. The video clip here was really long, so I 5 times the speed on that. 3 times the speed on the second one. Because he's panicking. Like he sees, you know, on this tablet, people dying from these aliens. When it was black, I zoomed into the tablet. Then on top of here, I popped the monster in with a lighten compositing effect here and put it down to 21. Wherever you want to do there. But we did some speed ramping here from fast to slow. As he pops out or gets pushed out of the space. So he goes to slow. Then it fades out. So that's how I did that. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Until we meet next time, have a great and creative day. Peace.